Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to show you how to easily find a doctor or a health center using DKV's online medical networks. First, type Quadro Medico DKV into your web browser and click on the link medicos.dkv.es. Once you are on the website, you can scroll down to see all the care categories or type your request directly into the search bar. For example, you can type cardiologia if you are looking for a cardiologist. Next, in localidad, type your city, for example, Barcelona. To refine your research, click on the filter icon. In Tipo de Póliza, select your type of insurance. For example, choose Privada for standard health insurance or dental if you are looking for a dentist. Just above, in Filtros Avanzados, you can also select Consulta online if you want to book an appointment online, or Com Video Consulta if you prefer a remote consultation. Once you have finished, click on Aplicar Filtros. To start the search, click on Buscar. You can then click on Profesionales. You will see a list of all the doctors that match your search criteria. If you want to download the list, click on Descargar PDF. You will then be able to choose your medical networks. Click on Privada to see the private medical network. Click on Dental to see the dental network. Once you have made your selection, return to the website and click Cancelar. You can also click on Centros Médicos to see the medical centers that match the specialty you are looking for. By clicking on Más Información, you will be able to see the address of the establishment, the phone number, and below the list of specialists associated with the center. And that's it. Finding a specialist with DKV online takes a few clicks. Thank you for watching this tutorial and see you soon!